Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to install WordPress locally on your computer. WordPress is one of the most powerful content management system available. It's versatile, constantly updated, and totally free. And with it, you can create simple blogs, large, complex websites, and anything in between. Before we get into this installation part, I want to quickly explain how WordPress works. So WordPress is a piece of software, right? But it has certain requirements in order to run properly. And one of those requirements is a web server. The very popular one is Apache server, and Apache is a free software. WordPress also needs support for PHP and database management system. And that can be MySQL. There are a few others as well. And Apache supports MySQL and PHP, among other things. So the very first step in working with WordPress locally is to use a software that can emulate a web server on your local machine. Now, there are a couple of options here. One of the most popular one, and the one that we're gonna use in the video, is called mamp. So as you can see here, mamp is a free local server environment. So let's download it. So mamp has been downloaded, and now let's run the installation. Click next. Uncheck mamp pro because we're only gonna need the free version, and click next. The default location for installation is on C drive. I'm not going to change it, and click next. Click next again, hit install. So I have mamp installed now. Right here, you'll see some LEDs telling me that Apache server is up and running. The MySQL server is up and running. You can check the installation of your mamp by visiting localhost on your browser. Here you can see the mamp is set up properly and the server name is localhost, and the root of the document is cmap htdocs. All right. So what you need to do next is create a database. So let's open mamp and click on open web start page. That's gonna take you to your mamp configuration. What we need here is phpMyAdmin. Let's open it. And here you'll see all the databases that are currently created. For this installation, we're gonna create a new database. So let's click on the databases. We're gonna go to databases, and where it says create database, we're gonna give it a database name. Let's call it WP demo. And we're gonna hit create. So right now we have a new database, WP demo, created right here. That's all you need to do here. The next step is to download WordPress. Go to wordpress.org, download WordPress. I'm just gonna extract this archive. So now what you need to do is copy it and go to your mamp folder on your C drive. By default, it's gonna be called htdocs, okay? So let's go to folder where we have our mamp root. And I'm gonna paste WordPress folder. You can rename this if you want. I'm going to call it demo. So we are going to run the setup for WordPress by visiting the address localhost/demo. Choose the language, hit continue. This is going to tell you that before you proceed, you need to know a couple of things from here. It gives you a list. We're going to hit let's go. Database name. This is where we put in this name right here. They need to match. WP demo. Let's copy and paste it. Username is going to be root. Password is going to be root. Database host, we'll keep it at localhost. Table prefix. This is not that important. It just add this WP to the name of each table that's going to be created in the database. You can change this if you want. I'm going to leave it just like that. So hit submit, run the installation. Let's give it a site title. WordPress localhost or anything you would like. Username, let's say admin. And the password, just so we can remember it, we are going to put in admin. And by the way, you shouldn't do this. You shouldn't put admin as your actual password, but I think we'll get away with it for this demo. I'm going to enter my email address here. So with all of this in, let's install WordPress. And it has been installed. Nice. Let's log in. We now have a fully working installation of WordPress, and if we want to see the front end or our actual website, we can simply hover over this, click it, or click visit site. And there we go. We now have WordPress installed locally. Let's log out and see how we can access the admin login page of our local WordPress installation. You can type localhost demo or whatever the name you've given to your WordPress folder and /wp-admin. And there we go. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you would like more weekly updates on WordPress. Goodbye.